Okay.
Okay. So whenever you sit here, first you fix your seat,
Yeah.
your mirrors, and then you start your car, and then
Yeah.
you do driving, because especially like when you drive on major roads like these,
Yeah.
you need your seat should be proper. Are you okay now?
Yes. It feels a lot better.
Okay, so you can see as well, okay?
Yeah.
So just reflect on your driving. How did you feel? What do you think?
There were good points and there were bad points, I think.
Yeah.
I think
Give
moving
me
away.
bad points
Bad
first.
points.
First.
Oh God, where to start?
Yeah.
Obviously the speed.
Mm-hmm.
I think no, speed was a little bit of an issue. It was a little bit heavy-footed on the speed.
Yeah.
Especially when sort of monitoring speed on long stretches of road or between changes between roads. So from 20 to 30s and 30 to 20s.
When you're talking, I'm gonna just ask you some questions.
Sure, go
So
for
you
it.
said it's a speed. So what was the issue with the speed?
I was going.
Are you pressing very hard on the
I think
on the
I
gas?
don't think it's that, because that gas pedal is like you twitch it and
Yes.
you zoom forward.
Yes.
I think it's me not realizing that I'm putting even just that, because it was going up very slowly. I don't know if you saw. So I get to 18 and I wouldn't be able to control it at 18. So I need to be able to not put any more weight on my foot, if that makes sense.
And also there's a you know this display mirror. You will see the speed there as well.
Yeah.
Can you see the speed?
Only just.
So you can just fix here. Press this.
Oh.
Wait, I'm just gonna show you. Head-up display.
Yeah.
Can you see the head-up
Yeah, yeah.
display? So you just press this, and now height.
wow.
Fix it
Okay.
now. Up
Yeah.
and down arrow. So you can see the
That's
speed.
so snazzy.
Yes. You will see this speed there is easier for you. Just glance.
Yeah.
And if the road is 20, which speed is perfect on 20 road?
17.
On 30?
If it's not a busy road, 27, 28. If it's a busy road, looking at about 25.
Every road is different, situation is different, and you drive according to the road condition and
Yeah.
situation. Not like if it's, some people think if the speed is 30, I'm gonna go on 30.
Yeah, you don't need to do that.
It's only a limit, it's not a target that you're gonna go. You drive always according to the road situation and conditions, okay?
Yeah. So I think I was a little bit too heavy-footed on the acceleration, which
Okay.
not that I was purposely accelerating, that I was getting to the correct speed and not being able to hold it there, if that makes sense. So I was putting extra speed on of what I was doing. So I need to be able to control my foot more so that I have a better almost ability to control that speed.
Okay, that's fine, okay. So if we go out again, you're gonna show me this time,
I'm
okay?
gonna
Not
try to.
over speeding, not give more gas, like you tried to go like on 30 road, 32, 31.
A bit too fast, isn't it?
On 20, 21, 22.
Yeah.
And on test day, if you are like perfect driver, experienced driver, you go for your test, 33 is fail,
30 as well. Yeah.
23 is fail,
Yeah.
and 43 is fail
Yeah.
if the road is 40.
I think.
That's why always give yourself these 3 safe digits.
Yeah.
If the speed is
Okay.
30, give yourself 3 safe digits to below the limit. Because if you just press sometime gas little bit more, and if you go on 33,
Yeah.
you'll fail your test for a silly reason.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
why.
I think that was good hazard perception of real world and often erratic movements, people going around. Decent left-hand turning.
Yes.
Could have been on occasion a little bit slower, but that'll be for next time.
So your speed was fast on left turn.
Occasionally it was.
Okay. So if you go fast, what's the risk on the new road?
On the new road, you're not able to perceive the hazard as it comes
And if you go
Towards you.
slowly with effective observation, what's the benefit?
You have better control over what you're doing, so you're able
Okay.
to move more effectively.
Now we're thinking for benefits.
Mm.
For so every left turn, I want to see safe and
Yep.
secure and slow speed.
Yeah.
Because you said if I go slow, I will assess and see hazards around my
Yeah.
car, and I will see in my surroundings.
Yeah.
So when you're ready, we're gonna go out again and practice this. Okay?
Okay.
You,
Cool.
you explain to me. Now we're gonna put this
Put this into action.
in this action now.
I'm
Okay?
gonna try to.
Let's go. When you're ready, then move off. But this road is always busy.
This is gonna need a couple of checks. After this car, we can go.
Okay. Yeah. Very slowly moving off, and look at this curb. So we slow down here.
Yeah.
The curb here. Okay.
Curb protruding.
Yeah. That's good. Is again your gust like you suddenly going really fast. So if you slow down a bit more, that's fine. The next traffic lights we are going ahead. So look at the floor marking. Keep
Wanna be in
on the
left-hand
left.
lane,
Keep on the left. And your approach speed is a little bit fast, James. That's good.
Not
Yeah.
as feather as I wanted it to be.
Yeah.
So we're going straight ahead.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead there.
Okay.
So look at the floor marking always. If we go in right lane, where we going?
We're going right.
Yeah, that's fine. So
So that's
we-
got the forward and the left arrow.
okay. So
We can go.
always you look at the floor marking. So we are going ahead. Straight ahead there. If you see, so when you see bends, what's the plan then?
Slow down.
Okay. Why?
When bends like this, you don't know what's around the other corner.
Okay.
So I have no vision because it's over a hill and it's being blocked on the right hand side.
If there's no vision, what's the best action?
To slow down.
Okay. So look at this blue sign. So we need to be away from this now. That's good. And now we come back in our own lane. And here they all stop, so we slow
Yeah.
down again.
We can't make the junction.
But we got space there.
Oh, yeah, I suppose so.
So we go very slow speed behind the white car.
We can just crawl it.
And how much distance?
1 car length.
Okay, good.
Maybe a little bit. There's a That's a Mini Cooper length, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of roadworks
Your
happening.
distance is slowly. Now you're thinking for the distance. So if you go really close,
Yeah.
what's the risk?
Nowhere to move. And if
How
you
you?
know,
If he breaks down,
if he brakes, I'm gonna go into the back of him. Or if I twitch on the gas, I'm gonna go into the back of him.
and how you gonna pull out if he break down?
I mean, if I'm close,
Yeah.
I won't be able to. I'll have
So
to
many,
reverse.
so many risks.
Mhm.
So we need to avoid these risks. We need to
Yeah.
be away from the front car always. Okay. So we think for risk and we think for benefits as well. But
Yeah.
if we go this space, what's the benefit?
The benefit is we have space to move.
Mm-hmm.
If he breaks down, he's not able to move from there. We've got ability to go around him.
Yeah.
If he stops suddenly
Yeah.
or has to make an emergency stop, we have distance to be able to stop.
Okay. And what about on the left? If they're working and they got their stuff next to the light, what's the best speed here around this area?
I mean, probably a crawl, maybe up to 5 miles an hour.
Why is that?
Well, firstly, you've got stuff on the right here, so you don't know what hazards may be coming out here.
Mm-hmm.
You've got temporary lights up ahead, which are temporary lights.
Yes.
We've got a bit of a blind corner as well. It's being obstructed by not only the corner itself going downwards,
Okay.
but also the builder's stuff on the left-hand side. So we
Okay.
need to be able to make sure that we can perceive or look for any hazards
Okay.
coming up.
They're working. Look, he's
They
coming
are.
out from
He's
the
moving across
behind
the
the
road
one.
as
Yes,
well, yeah.
that's good. Good answer.
And then we've got green, so we're gonna.
I think commentary drive gives you really big help. Just
I
keep
think it
talking
will.
and make plans.
And we're gonna
Whatever
keep
you
going
see.
nice
just let
and
me know.
slow.
Now you think.
But nice and slow acceleration. We don't want to go in.
Can you
just
see
like
the
that.
speed
Yeah,
there in
yeah.
the display? Good.
We're gonna keep on going. Keep back
Can
up.
be a downhill, remember?
Downhill, so I'm gonna take my foot off the gas and basically let us
And
roll.
start braking.
Yeah.
More to this side. Start braking, okay? That's fine. We're gonna go ahead now.
Yep.
Ahead.
Yep. We're gonna keep on as we are.
Downhill.
So we're not gonna accelerate at all.
Yes.
But next left.
Yes.
We're gonna keep our foot on. There's a guy crossing the street. He doesn't look like he wants to. Oh, hello. We're gonna keep on going. I'm gonna touch on the brakes just a little bit. Indicate left. As we come into here, I'm gonna push away. Nice.
Our filter is on, so nice and slow. Nice and slow.
It's gonna slow down a little bit.
Good.
Gonna keep on going. We're gonna come up to this line, and we're gonna stop.
Before, okay? So before, so you can see the line.
Yes. So I can see the line.
Yes.
Okay.
There's lane 2, so people come from there, other
Yeah.
cars, and they merge and they come
They're
in
gonna
your lane.
merge in there, aren't
So
they?
where you looking when they're merging?
In my right hand mirror,
And why are you looking in there?
because they'll be indicating to move inwards.
Yes. Okay. So keep looking for your own safety,
Mm-hmm.
because sometimes they come really fast and they come front of you.
Yeah.
Even you got the priority, but they don't think of that. They come in your lane.
They just want to get where they're going.
Yeah. But look at the another hazard.
So there's a bus up ahead.
Is
They're
he-
indicating inwards.
He's gonna move
so
now,
we can go forward. He's not indicating out,
so we can go.
but we're going to give him a little bit of a berth as well, just in case.
Good.
And there's someone trying to merge. Oh, he's behind us. Oh,
When he see our
He's
car,
just
he'll come.
he's doing whatever he wants.
They take advantage of learners. They'll just come out.
A little bit of gas, not much. It's quite a busy road, so I'm going to keep on the lower side.
Good. When you're talking to yourself, this will
It
give
does
you.
help, doesn't it?
It's helping you.
Okay, keep an eye on my speed. We've got green, so we can keep on going. And then we're just gonna.
You go head-up display as well.
Yeah.
So for your speed, so now you're controlling. Keep this speed. This is
Yeah.
safest speed, 25, 26. You got more control now. Well done.
I feel it.
That's nice.
We're gonna keep to the middle. We want to stay out that bus lane.
Yeah.
Although it does say we can go in it. I don't feel like it. Got speed cameras, so nice and slow. No point going any quicker.
I'm happy now, okay?
Good.